One of the most common questions about using KIMAX glass drain lines is whether they can be buried underground. The answer is yes. With a few easy steps, KIMAX drain lines can be used in underground and exterior applications. When glass tubing passes through an exterior wall or floor slab, it should be fitted with a pipe sleeve that is 2 inches greater than the outer diameter of the drain line. Fill the gap between the tubing and the sleeve with fiberglass or glass wool, and then seal the ends with a water plug cement or an approved caulk. You'll want to start by digging a trench at least 2 feet deep. For our purposes, the trench will be represented by this box. The bed should be about 1 or 2 inches below grade if burying in clean dirt, and 4 to 6 inches if burying in clay or rocky soil. Backfill the trench to grade with stone-free sand or soil. To protect the tube, cover it with an EPS sheathing, which is available from Schott. Please note that for each 5-foot segment of pipe, 4 pieces of EPS are required. Couple the pipes in the same manner as you would inside. When convenient, assemble several joints to form a section. Tighten the couplings firmly and lower the section into the trench, with couplings covered and facing upward for easy access if necessary. Support joints and couplings with sand that has been further compacted. When using a segment of tubing that has been cut, trim 2 inches of sheathing from the piece you will use, leaving 1 inch of tubing exposed on either side when installed. Exposed tubing, such as that around couplings and fittings, should be protected with 5mm polyvinyl. Check all joints to make sure they have been tightened and water test the system. If your connections are secure, backfill the trench using rock-free sand or soil. Cover the drain line with at least 12 inches of rock-free fill before using dirt from the excavation. Tamp the rock-free soil down. Once the drain line is adequately covered, you'll be able to fill the trench with machinery like a bulldozer if you have it. Thank you for watching this video. For additional information, contact Schott or your local distributor.
Schott. Glass made of ideas.